Bit of Christmas prep this morning. I'm going to be making some paper stars out of paper bags. I found these on Amazon. I've got some natural and some white ones. You need 6 paper bags per star. I've got my Pritt stick ready, some kind of ruler. I couldn't find any rulers in this house, they've all disappeared. Scissors and a pencil. Right, I've got my 6 bags ready. So what you do is you go across the base with your Pritt stick, quite close up actually, so it helps create the nice shape, and then down the full length of the bag. Stick on a paper bag on top, and then you keep going with all your 6 bags. To do is find the middle. So a good way of doing this is just quickly folding down. My middle's here, and then you want to create the angle, the tip of the snowflake. So find where you want to sort of, whether you want a steep one or a soft one. I'm going to go across to roughly here. You want to do the other side as well. So just mark up where that one goes. And create the tip of your snowflake. And you get your scissors and cut down to that mark. These scissors are a little blunt. I need to definitely buy some sharper scissors. They're going to have a nice soft rough edge, these snowflakes, I think. Go down the other side. I need to neaten that up with these scissors. So you can see already how exciting is that, the stars, the snowflake is forming. Then you just want to glue one side all around the edges. I've actually seen quite a few people do these on the gram, and they are very satisfying to make. I'm so glad I'm finally having a go. Alright, you glue up your 2 end pieces. Actually meet nice and neatly. Just neaten it up, the edges are not quite sticking. There you have it, your snowflake ready to hang. Show how to hang them. So I literally put some string between the 2 tips here, which I glued together, and that's made it nice and secure.